Hello, welcome to Automotive Technology here at the Delaware Area Career Center. I want to thank you for taking this opportunity to explore your options here at DACC. My name is Robert Swanger. I'm the Automotive Technology Instructor, and I hope that you'll take the opportunity to contact me if you have any questions about the program or about any of the options that we offer here at the school. Here in Automotive Technology, we have a very large lab. We have a total of 6 bays, as well as an alignment machine and a teaching area within the lab itself. Students get the opportunity to work on a great number of things: engines, rear differentials, electrical, brakes, steering suspension, tires, heating and air conditioning, and much more. There's lots of options in this field, and we like to explore as much of them as we possibly can. So let's do a brief overview of the program. Program overview is such that there's a 2-year program where we have automotive service excellence areas, including brakes, steering suspension, electrical, engine repair, and engine performance. The daily schedule of DACC is essentially juniors attend lab in the morning and seniors attend lab in the afternoon. The afternoon labs and the morning labs are both roughly about 3 hours long each. In the junior year, students will start learning about safety, tool and equipment usage, and then we'll begin on maintenance and light repair. They'll also go into automotive braking, steering, and suspension systems, wheel alignment, lubrication and cooling systems, and they'll do some career research where you learn about basic job descriptions in the automotive industry. Also, as a junior, they will begin customer work where we bring in automobiles from outside the school and some within the school, and they get real-world access to repair and diagnosis problems. As seniors, students return and do electrical and electronic systems, diagnostics and repair with electrical systems, heat and air conditioning, engine and powertrain, engine service and repair, integrated computer systems involving engine performance and emissions controls. They'll also complete customer work of higher level, and they'll also participate in a senior capstone project and career exploration. Real-world learning environments include troubleshooting real-world problems on the vehicles, not only that we have here in the lab that have been donated from OEM manufacturers like Honda, Ford, and General Motors, but they also learned the skills necessary to prepare them to be diagnostician in this automotive technology field. Students get many opportunities to do hands-on. We try to limit the class and the lecture as much as possible, with the students getting as much work in the lab as they can handle. They'll see lots and lots of chances to work with each other, to build relationships, and much more. So we want to differentiate yourself and pursue a subject you love. Then getting a step ahead is going to be important that you get industry credentials, and in our case, those are from the National Institute of Automotive Service Excellence, more commonly known as ASE. We offer an ASE entry-level certification program where the students can take a number of 8 tests or more to get certifications in different areas as an entry-level technician. College after secondary school is important for so many people to continue with their career. So we offer articulation agreement with Columbus State, and we're working on many more to be included. There's also opportunities for job shadowing and student exploration. This is where students get a chance to go out into the businesses in this industry here locally, close to their home or here in town or wherever they choose to go. They'll get pre-scheduled days to explore those jobs in those dealerships or their shops or their parts store, wherever it is that they decide they want to try to explore to see how they want to do this and enter this industry in the days and their years ahead. So this is an opportunity for them to make connections with employers that they may eventually be hired by. So other opportunities involve internships, early job placement, community service, off-site experiences as a class where we take field trips. We get guest speakers to come in as often as possible. They'll be doing research projects, and they will even get to interview industry professionals. I do want to touch on early job placement. That's our most lucrative program that we have here, where students in the second semester of their senior year actually get to go out and work 4 out of 5 days of the week in lieu of coming to class. That program is set up so they can get credit for coming to class while they're on the job, learning real-world experience real world problems and getting credit for being here. Some of our partners in the industry include Performance Columbus Family Dealerships, Chesterone, Chevrolet, and GMC, the Buyers Auto Group, the Toy Barn, Germain Automotive Partnership, Washington Auto Parts, Midwest Automotive Group, Dandini's, and many, many more. I talk to employers weekly around the area. So if you're looking into going to college, we have 3 state-sponsored colleges: Columbus State, Stark State, and Sinclair Community College. So as you can see here, we have Columbus State has the Ford Asset Program. So if you decide to do one of these programs, you would go to that school and participate in that program. Those are industry-sponsored programs. So you have the Ford Asset Program at Columbus State. You have the Mopar CAP program and the GM ASEP program at Sinclair Community College. And you have the Toyota T10 program and the GM ASEP program available at Stark State College. These are 2-year programs where you can earn an associate degree as well as get firsthand experience and guaranteed placement in a job through those colleges. We also have ties with the American Diesel Training Centers, Universal Technical Institute, and UNOH, University of Northwestern Ohio, and their automotive programs. So if that's another better option for you, then you can do that. Now I want to take a moment to talk about one of my success stories. This is a young man named Skylar Smith. So Skylar's from class of 2017, and I knew right off that this young man liked to work. He is doing really, really well now. He works, and he started out enjoying working and playing outdoors, but he always knew he wanted a job in automotive. So by attending here, he learned through class projects, job shadow opportunities, and career exploration that through that he was able to realize his dream of starting a career right out of high school as an automotive technician. He's currently employed at Reichert Ford as a heavy line diesel technician. This is some of what Skylar gets to do every day. He's working on 6.7 diesels there in the Reichert Ford, and he's turning into one of their most successful technicians that they have. So if you want to learn more about the Delaware Area Career Center, feel free to go on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook, where you can explore, or go to our website. I hope this has been informative. And again, if you have any questions about the program, please feel free to reach out and ask me anything you need. Thank you, and hope you have a great day.